Hi, and welcome to this video on how to use the Akuvox AI assistant for project setup. Currently, it is available on the installer's cloud web portal. Log into the cloud with your installer account. Click the AI assistant in the lower right corner. You can ask it to create a single company site, assign a project manager for a site, add a new device, and configure a door. Now, let's try to create a single company site. Click Create a Single Company Site. As instructed, provide the site name. Then, you will be asked to assign a project manager to the site. Enter the email address of an existing PM or create a new one. Next, continue to add a device. Take a door phone as an example. Enter the device type, MAC address, and device name. To add multiple devices, separate them with a semicolon. If you prefer not to add devices now, you can close the chat and ask the assistant later. Now, we can go to the commercials interface, where the new project has already been created. Click the More icon to view the project details. We can see that the device has been added successfully, and Relay A is enabled by default for door control. So, when the AI assistant asks whether you want to configure the door, if you select Relay A again, it will notify you that Relay A is already in use. In this case, you can configure another relay. To set up multiple relays, separate them by a semicolon. That covers the basic setup process. You can directly close the chat and navigate to the commercial project for further setup. You can refer to our Smart Access video playlist for more reference on adding personnel, setting up access group, etc. If you're unsure about what to enter or the required format, you can use the tips below. For instance, when you click Add New Device, the command template will be automatically populated. Device type and other fields will dynamically search based on your input, allowing you to select from the options. This reduces the amount of manual input required. In addition, you can ask the AI assistant other questions, like how to upgrade a device. The assistant will provide you with detailed steps. You can copy or download the PDF guide. Thanks for watching.